Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're a Pixel user, especially one in the Android beta program, listen up because Google just dropped a new update that you'll definitely want to install. It's Android 16 QPR2 Beta 3.3, and while it's not packed with flashy new features, it fixes one incredibly annoying bug that's been driving users crazy. So, what's the big deal? For weeks, many Pixel owners have been dealing with a frustrating lock screen issue. You'd wake up your phone, and it would just freeze, becoming completely unresponsive. The only way to fix it was to force a restart. It was random, it was annoying, and frankly, it made using your phone a bit of a gamble. I know many of you in the comments have been talking about this. Well, the good news is, Google has officially squashed this bug in the latest beta release. The changelog specifically mentions a fix for this lock screen freeze, so hopefully, those random reboots are a thing of the past. This update is rolling out now for the Pixel 6 series and all newer devices, including the latest Pixel 10 lineup and even the Pixel Fold. The build number is BP41.250916015 for the Pixel 6 phones and NCID, A1 for the newer models. It's still running on the October 2025 security patch, which tells us Google's main priority here was pure stability, not adding new bells and whistles. This is pretty typical for a QPR, or quarterly platform release, where they refine the software before it goes public. Remember, the previous beta, 3.1, also fixed some major boot loop issues, so it's clear Google is focused on ironing out the kinks. If you're already in the Android beta program, you should see the over-the-air update pop up on your device anytime now. If you're impatient like me, you can manually check for it by going to Settings, then System, and then Software Update. For those of you who have been holding off on joining the beta because of these stability problems, this might be the perfect time to jump in. The sign-up process on Google's beta site is still super simple. Just be aware that beta software can sometimes have its own little quirks. So, while this update might not seem exciting on the surface, it's a crucial one. A stable, reliable phone is more important than any new feature, and this release brings us one step closer to the final, stable version of the next quarterly update, which we expect to see sometime in December. If your Pixel has been feeling sluggish or glitchy, especially on the lock screen, installing Beta 3.3 should make a noticeable difference in your daily use. It's all about making your phone feel smoother and more dependable. That's all for this quick update. Have you installed the new beta yet? Did it fix the lock screen freeze for you? Let me know your experience down in the comments. Thanks for watching. And if you found this helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for all the latest Android news. Catch you in the next one.